Hello Ledger Life viewers, hope you all had a great weekend. Today, let's look at two captivating stories shaping the world of ETFs and Bitcoin. First up, let's explore the imminent wave of Bitcoin exchange traded funds set to hit the Australian financial sector. The Australian financial sector is bracing for a game-changing shift as it gears up to welcome a new wave of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. This development follows successful precedents set in the US and soon to be in Hong Kong, signaling a growing acceptance and integration of cryptocurrency investments globally. Leading the charge are heavyweight issuers poised to reshape cryptocurrency investment patterns across the continent. ASX Limited, Australia's primary securities exchange and a powerhouse in equity trading, is reportedly in the process of evaluating its first spot Bitcoin ETFs for approval. Sources familiar with the situation indicate that these approvals could come to fruition before the conclusion of 2024, marking a significant milestone in Australia's financial landscape. In Sydney, Beta Shares is actively pushing forward with plans to launch its Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs on the ASX. A company spokesperson highlighted in a recent interview that they have already secured ticker symbols for these products, indicating a concrete step towards their introduction to the market. Similarly, Digital X Limited, another prominent Australian firm, has confirmed its submission of an ETF application, signaling a growing interest and investment in cryptocurrency-based financial products. The emergence of Bitcoin ETFs in Australia represents a broader trend of mainstream adoption and recognition of digital assets as legitimate investment vehicles. These ETFs offer investors a regulated and convenient way to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies without the complexities and risk associated with direct ownership and trading on crypto exchanges. The move towards Bitcoin ETFs in Australia is driven by several factors, including the growing demand for diversified investment options, increased regulatory clarity surrounding cryptocurrencies, and a shift in investor sentiment towards embracing digital assets as part of a balanced portfolio. Moreover, the success of Bitcoin ETFs in other global markets, particularly in the US, has paved the way for similar initiatives in Australia and beyond. The introduction of Bitcoin ETFs is expected to democratize access to cryptocurrencies, making them more accessible to retail investors and institutions alike. This democratization of access could lead to increased liquidity and trading volumes in the cryptocurrency market, potentially driving further growth and adoption of digital assets in Australia's financial ecosystem. Industry experts and analysts are closely monitoring these developments, anticipating a ripple effect on the broader financial sector. The integration of Bitcoin ETFs in Australia's investment landscape could attract new investors, diversify portfolios, and foster innovation in financial products and services related to cryptocurrencies. As the momentum for Bitcoin ETFs builds in Australia, stakeholders are optimistic about the opportunities they bring for market growth, investor participation, and the overall evolution of the country's financial markets. The upcoming approvals and launches of these ETFs are poised to mark a significant chapter in Australia's journey towards embracing digital assets as an integral part of its financial future. Now, let's direct our focus to a remarkable achievement in Bitcoin mining. A solo Bitcoin miner recently achieved an extraordinary feat by solving a Bitcoin block entirely on their own, earning the coveted full block reward of 3.125 Bitcoin. This extraordinary event, announced on April 29 by software engineer and CK Pool administrator Con Colivas, marks a rare milestone in Bitcoin's mining history. The miner operating within the solo mining pool CK Pool managed to crack the 280-second solo block in Bitcoin's existence. At the time of the successful solve, the miner boasted an impressive hash rate of approximately 120 petahashes, equivalent to 0.12 exahashes, with a weekly average of around 12 ph. This hash rate represents a mere 0.02% of the total network hash rate, highlighting the formidable challenge of solo mining in today's competitive landscape. The reward for solving block 841,286 recently reduced during the Bitcoin halving at block 840,000 amounted to 3.125 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $200,000 based on prevailing Bitcoin prices. Koliva speculated on the circumstances leading to this solo success, suggesting that the miner may have transitioned from pooled mining post-halving, no longer covering electricity cost, to pursue solo blocks. Alternatively, they might have intermittently engaged in substantial solo hashing or rental operations. The significance of this achievement cannot be understated. Solo mining a valid Bitcoin block is akin to a lottery win, an exceedingly rare event witnessed only 282 times out of over 841,300 blocks generated since Bitcoin's inception 14 years ago. Bitcoin mining entails participants contributing computational power to solve and add blocks to the network, which is a task made increasingly challenging by rising asset prices and escalating competitiveness, reflected in higher difficulty levels and hash rates. The surge in Bitcoin's popularity and value has spurred a proliferation of miners vying for block rewards, intensifying competition and making solo mining a near impossible endeavor. Yet, this Lord Miner's success serves as a testament to perseverance and a deep understanding of Bitcoin's mining mechanics. This singular achievement underscores the ongoing evolution of the Bitcoin network and the resilience of its mining ecosystem. As miners continue to adapt strategies and techniques, the landscape of Bitcoin mining remains dynamic, with occasional instances of solo triumphs highlighting the unpredictable nature of this decentralized system. In a realm where collaboration and pooling resources dominate, this solo miner's victory stands as a testament to individual ingenuity and a reminder of the potential for unexpected breakthroughs in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency mining. These two stories are our main focus for the day. To read more about these developments and other stories, don't forget to visit ledgerlife.io. Stay tuned to Ledger Life for more updates and insights into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Thanks for watching.